In this video, we will see how to enable meeting bookings in Lead Capture Forms. When you are creating or editing a Lead Capture form, go to the Select Fields section. Here, you will see the Add Your Calendar option. Click on it to start setting up meeting booking for this form. If your Google Calendar is not connected yet, Refrens will ask you to connect it first. Click on the Connect option and link your Google Calendar with Refrens CRM. Once your calendar is connected, click Add Your Calendar again. You will now see your connected calendar here. If you have connected multiple calendars, you can select the calendar you want to use from the drop-down. Next, add a label for the meeting booking section. For example, I'll write Book a Call. You can use any label that suits your use case, such as Schedule a Demo, Book a Consultation, or Pick a Meeting Slot. You can also add help text to guide your leads. For example, I'll write, Pick a time that works for you. This helps leads understand what they need to do. Next, choose whether this should be a required field. If you mark it as required, leads must select a meeting slot before submitting the form. If you keep it optional, leads can submit the form without booking a meeting. For this demo, I'll mark it as required. Now select the meeting duration. You can choose the duration options you want to offer. For example, I'll select 30 minutes and 60 minutes, so leads can choose from these two options. You can also keep more options if required. Next, select the meeting type. You can choose from in-person, phone call, or video call. For this demo, I'll select video call since I want the meeting to happen online. If your meeting is offline or over the phone, you can choose the relevant option. Now set your work start and work end time. This defines the working hours during which leads can book meetings. Make sure you select the right working hours so leads cannot book slots before or after your availability. Next, set the minimum notice period. This helps you avoid last-minute bookings. For example, if you select 24 hours, leads will only be able to book slots at least 24 hours in advance. You can choose a shorter or longer notice period based on your preference. Next, set the time between meetings. This works as a buffer between two meetings, so you do not get back-to-back calls without any gap. You can choose a buffer such as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or any available option based on your workflow. After that, choose how far in advance leads can book meetings. For example, you can allow bookings for the next 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. By default, this is set to 2 weeks. Next, select your available working days. For example, if you do not want leads to book meetings on weekends, keep only your working days selected. Once all meeting settings are configured, click Save. Now complete the remaining form details. Then save the form and publish it. Now let's see how the form looks from the lead side. When a lead opens this form, they can fill in their details and also book a meeting from the same form. They can select a date, choose the meeting duration, pick an available time slot, and review the meeting details before submitting the form. Once the form is submitted, Refrens creates the lead and books the meeting. Now, if you open your Google Calendar, you will see that the meeting has been added there as well. You can also go to the All Meetings section in Sales CRM to view all booked meeting. Here, you can see the meeting booked by the lead, along with the scheduled date and time. From here, you can join the meeting, update the meeting, cancel it, or view the linked lead details. If the meeting is updated, the lead will also receive an email with the updated details. And if the meeting is cancelled from Google Calendar, it will also be reflected in the Refrens Meetings dashboard. That's it.